Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to go into Trader Joe's and get some ketogenic diet foods. What am I going to get from ketogenic shopping, my grocery shopping at Trader Joe's? Let's go in. Hey friends, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I have lost a significant amount of weight on keto and on intermittent fasting. Let me show you my before and after picture. And on today's grocery shopping, keto grocery shopping episode, I'm going to go into Trader Joe's and try to get my grocery shopping, my keto grocery shopping haul under $100. Do you think I can do it? Well, before we dive in, make sure you click like on this video, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly keto meal plan for you as a gift from the Countess of Low Carb community. You don't have to have expensive groceries, literally. And if you meal plan, it can be totally cheap keto. But for today, we're gonna go in. I wanna get my groceries for under $100. I think I can do it. I've got a list in my head, not on paper. We'll see if I can adhere to that, but I've got some good ideas cooking. Let's go in. So my keto haul is going great. I've gotten some of my favorite things that I'm stoked about. Some broccoli slaw, some of my shredded Brussels sprouts. I've got whole mushrooms. I've got my carne asada. If you haven't had their carne asada, get some. And I got 3 packs because I'm kind of obsessed and it's a drive to get here. So we wanted some extra. It's really, really, really good. I'm gonna go check out the frozen section and see what else I can get. Have you signed up for my free weekly keto meal plan? Go ahead and do that after this video. These are amazing. I'm not going to get these today, but I absolutely love those. Those are delicious. And this seasoning is also a winner. I love this everyday seasoning too. So I'm also obsessed with their almond butter. The crunchy almond butter. So I'm going to get 2 or 3 of those too. So I have tons of the everything bagel seasoning at home. Normally that's on my list, but I have tons. I can also get it from COSTCO. So I'm really stoked. Let me go home and show you everything I got in my haul today. So I do like to give the disclaimer, not everything in my bag is keto because my husband and my son don't eat keto. My little boy eats more low carb, but not keto. So there's some other things that you may have seen in my shopping cart that aren't. I'd like to get that disclaimer for you hi folks out there. If you see things that I don't mention, that's for my fam. Okay, I'm gonna show you my first thing that I did get from my Trader Joe's haul was the roast beef. I got 1/4 of a pound. It was $3.75. And they put the nutrition label on this, which I'm super excited about. It was for my 3 ounces, 1 carb, 1 gram of fiber, 26 grams of protein, and 12 grams of fat. Y'all, this looked amazing. I saw it in the store and I'm like, I'm getting that. So I'm gonna have this on the way home because I have a good hour-long drive back to get over the Appalachian Mountains back to my house. And this is what I'm gonna break my intermittent fasting with. So I did not end up getting those coconut chips. I got the coconut flakes because I don't understand why there was such a discrepancy with the carbs in it for the same serving size. So I did get the flakes instead, the unsweetened coconut flakes, which looked amazing. Probably my most favorite thing I'm stoked about. Okay, here's all of my goodies. Disclaimer though, on my receipt, it was $149, but part of that was I bought a bunch of stuff for my family for snacks for them, for something else family related we have going on. So I would say this is like 70 bucks, somewhere in that ballpark. Excuse, Royal Weight Loss meets real life with the stuff in the back. Let me show you what I got. So I got some delicious pumpkin seeds. I got these organic button mushrooms, which I'll put cream cheese in. I can use my pork panko crumbs. Did you guys see that pork panko video? It was good. The next thing I got was a whole bunch of almond butter I stacked up while I was there. I like the salted version. I did show salted and unsalted. This is one of my favorite things. The reason why I love it so much is the ingredients are good, and in terms of carbs, it's 7 carbs for 2 tablespoons, or 4 net carbs per 2 tablespoons. So 2 net carbs per tablespoon, or 3.5 carbs per table. I love it. I love it. I will put the Amazon link down below. If you don't live near Trader Joe's, I got the organic coconut milk. I like using this for my keto ice cream. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link that down below too. And I also got some coconut cream as one of my keto foods. Y'all know I love me some basil. Basil pesto. I love pesto. That's so delicious. I got these delicious shaved Brussels sprouts. Those are good in bacon grease. They get very crispy. This was my big find, was the organic unsweetened coconut flakes. It's just simply made out of organic coconut, no added sugars, and for 1/4 of a cup, it was 2 net carbs, or 7 carbs for 1/4 of a cup. I would count this as net carbs though, because it's coconut. It's not like it's like a packaged, I don't know, Slim Fast, for example. I did get 3 of my carne asadas. These are my favorite. I love carne asada. And so good. So I got 3 of these. We just will need to eat them fairly soon. And they're about 12 bucks a piece, but it's a one and done meal. I just usually eat that as my meal. I got some organic celery hearts. I can put it with cream cheese, with everything in the bagel seasoning on top. I can use the celery hearts more so for my almond butter. I love that as a keto snack or to go with one of my keto meals. I got some organic sour cream, organic heavy whipping cream. Some of y'all have talked about the certain ingredient. This does not have it. Dr. Berry and I did an interview. It begins with a C, that some people were questioning the ingredients. Dr. Berry said not to worry about it, but I did get this organic one. I did get some organic rice cauliflower for an Asian dish I would like to make, a keto Asian dish. And Keto Ginger inspired me to get some organic broccoli squab. She makes a really cool coleslaw that's keto-fied. And then of course, always my complete guide to fasting book from Dr. Fung. These are my goodies. These are my goodies. So what am I missing? What should I have gotten? This was more so a quick haul, not like an intense haul, but I love having these carne asadas. They're really, really, really easy. If you're having a busy night, it's like a grabby go-to keto meal that I love. These are nice for if you're traveling or if you wanna, like for your children. 1/4 a cup is 4 carbs or 2 net carbs, depending, and it's very filling, very, very filling. I like those a lot. So I got some of my, it more was a pantry pickup than like a full keto grocery haul, but I like this. I'm completely satisfied with what I got, and I'm really pumped to eat all this delicious keto food. Did you love this video? Make sure you smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and put in the comments the question of the day is, what is your favorite Trader Joe item? What do you love to get from Trader Joe's? What should I get next time that I missed? Also, make sure that you're signed up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss meal plan. It's my gift to you. Get your free meal plan. It's a free, you can get ideas, you can use them, you can not use them, but it's really, really helpful to save your family money, time, effort, and help you on the weight loss journey too, right? Like, we're on this keto weight loss journey together, friends. So let's make it a powerful day. Go check out some of my other whole food shopping video, my other keto grocery shopping videos, so you can get some other ideas. Bye guys.